Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a new video on finding the largest and the smallest number. Okay, these are the very useful tricks and it is applicable for all type of exams. Okay, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Okay, so let's start the first question. So the question is, which is the smallest among the following? See, whenever you get type this type of questions, it is very difficult and it is also we should know the trick to find out the sums in seconds. Okay, so you have to see this is the they have given cube root of 2, square root of 3 and cube root of 4. You have to find out which is the smallest number in this. So firstly you have to take the LCM of these powers 3, 2 and 3. So the LCM, I hope you know to do the LCM. Okay, 3, 2 and 3. The LCM of this 3 is nothing but the LCM of these three numbers will be 6. So, okay. So, now I will write like this. Square root of this LCM is 6. So, here also, comma, I will write 6. Here also, I am going to write like this. Square root of 6. See, now, now you have to see in 3's table where you find 6. 3 twos is 6. Okay. Now, in 2's table, where did you find 6? 2 threes are 6. Next, in 3's table, where are you finding the 6? 3 twos are 6. Now, what you should do? This 2 is there, no? Write 2 to power of this 2, you write on 2 to the power of 2. For this 3, 3 to the power of this 3. Okay. Now 4, 4 to the power of this 2. Okay. Now you have all the same powers. Here also 6, 6 and 6. Now what you should do is, now you write down what is 2 power 2. 2 power 2 is nothing but 4. Okay. Now next, what is 3 power 3? It is 27. Okay. Now next, 4 square is how much? 16. So now you can decide which is the smallest number here. 4, 27 and 16. Among this, which is smallest? 4. So this one is the smallest number. Okay, square root of uh, cube root of 2 is the smallest number. Okay, now let us move on to the next sum. You have to find out the largest among this. So this is also in the same way. First you should find the LCM of 3, 4, 6 and 12. The LCM of these powers will be, LCM of these three will be 4 numbers, that is 3, 4, 6 and 12 will be how much? 12. You have to do it and we have to find out the LCM. Then I will write, see, 12, I will write like this. Okay, for 4 numbers also I am going to write the LCM, okay, with the square root. What is the LCM, friends? It is 12. Now you see in 3's table, where is 12 coming? 3 fours is your 12. In 4 table, where 12 is coming? 4 threes are 12. Now again, in 6 table, where 12 is coming? 6 twos are 12. Okay. Now in 12 table, where is 12 is coming? 12 ones is 12. So this 4 you write down as it is 4 to the power of 4. Okay. Next this 6 write down 6 to the power of this 3. Okay. Then 15. 15 to the power of this 2. Okay. Now 245. 245 to the power of 1. Okay. Now just to see 4 to the power of 4 is how much? Split it and tell 256. 4 you have to multiply 4 times. You will get it as 256. Okay, here also same 12. 6 cube is nothing but 6 6 are 36. 36 into 6 is 216. Okay. Now 15 square is how much? 15 into 15 is 225. The next is 245. Okay. Now see now you have all the powers are same 12, 12, 12, 12. Now you have to see the numbers. Okay. Which is the biggest number among this? The largest number, that is 256 is the largest number, right? So your answer will be square root cube root of 4 will be your answer. Okay. This is the largest number. Now next, they have given here and you have to find out the smallest or the largest among the following. So here 2 to the power of 250. So we all know that 3 to the power of 150, 5 to the power of 100, 4 to the power of 200. These are all the divisibles of 5. Okay, 50. It is also divisibles of 50. I can write this 250 as, see, 5 into 50 is how much? 250. Okay. Now here also I can write it as 3 into 150. Sorry, 3 into 50 is, these are all the multiples of 50. So I can write it as 3 into 50 is 150. Okay. Then here 2 into 50 is how much? 100. Then 4 into 50 is how much? 200. Okay. Now I will write this 2 as 2 to the power of this 5. I will write down like this 2 to the power of 5 square, then to the power of 50. Okay. 3. Now I will write this 3 to the power of 3, then to the power of 50. Understood? Understood, friends? 5 to the power of this 2 to the power of 50. You are taking 50 common here. Okay. 4 to the power of 4 to the power of 50. Okay. I have written these numbers, this 5, this 3, 2 and this 4 here. Okay. And 50 is common for all. So now you split it. 2 to the power of 5 is how much? 32. 32 to the power of 50. Okay. Now next, 3 to the power of 3 is how much? 27. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are is 27 to the power of 50. Okay. Now next, 5 square is how much? 25. 25 to the power of 50. Okay, now next is 4 to the power of 4 is how much? 2 to the 256 and to the power of 50. Now you decide which is the smallest among, see, 50 is common. So you see in this which is the smallest number. So this 25 is the smallest. Okay. 25 is the smallest number. So this will be a smallest number, that is 5 to the power of 100 will be the smallest number. Okay. And which is the largest number you're finding in this? That is 256. So 4 to the power of 200 will be the largest number. Okay, friends? Understood the smallest and the largest number? Now let us see the next problem, that is which is the smallest among the following. So whenever you find like this type of questions, you see you have firstly you can add and see. 8 plus 5 is how much? 13. 7 plus 6 is again 13. 10 plus 3 is again 13. 11 plus 2 is again 13. You are not finding any hint here. So what you do, you can multiply and see these two numbers. 8 5s are, it is 40. So 7 6 are, it is 42. 10 threes are is how much? 30. And 11 twos are is how much? 22. Okay. Now in this, which is the smallest number? 22. So your answer will be root of 11 plus root of 2 is the smallest number. And you can also find out the largest number. Which is the largest among these numbers? 42. So your answer will be root of 7 plus root of 6. This is your answer. This is the smallest number and this is the largest number. Okay. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.